upbeat, energetic music playing in the background. Video opens with shots of the ESKUTE D100 e-bike gliding smoothly on various terrains, city streets, bike paths, slightly uneven ground. Host, energetic, friendly. Tired of traffic jams? Wish you could zip around town effortlessly? Then get ready to meet the ESKUTE D100, the electric bike that's redefining urban commuting. Quick cuts showcasing different features, the LCD display, the phone holder, the comfortable seat. Host, this isn't just any e-bike. The D100 boasts a powerful 250W motor, reaching speeds up to 25 kilometers per hour and conquering hills with ease. Imagine effortlessly tackling those steep inclines. Shot of the bike easily climbing a hill. Host, and with a long-lasting battery offering up to 100 kilometers of range, depending on your riding style, you can leave range anxiety behind. That's right, up to 100 kilometers on a single charge. Shot of the battery being removed and charged. Host, but it's not just about power and range. The D100 is packed with smart features. A crystal-clear LCD display keeps you informed, while the integrated phone holder with Type-C charging keeps you connected on the go. Plus, the shock-absorbing saddle ensures a comfortable ride even on bumpy roads. And with its durable 16-inch tires, you can conquer any terrain. Quick montage of various people enjoying the bike, commuting, exploring, smiling. Host, this is more than just a ride, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Imagine the time you'll save, the money you'll save on gas, and the fun you'll have exploring your city. But this incredible offer won't last forever. Screen displays a timer counting down. Host, for a limited time only, we're offering an exclusive discount on the ESKUTE D100. Don't miss out on this chance to experience the ultimate in urban electric mobility. Click the link in the description below to learn more and claim your discount before it's gone. Upgrade your commute, upgrade your life. Get your ESKUTE D100 today. Video ends with a shot of the bike and a clear call to action. Click here to buy now. Upbeat music fades out.